5 years ago, elections brought in a whiff of democracy to this trouble-torn state. After a protracted period of strife and terrorism, Punjab entered a phase of normalcy, even while weathering occasional storms of political uncertainty. The Congress rule in the state was rudely interrupted by the assassination of the erstwhile Chief Minister Bayant Singh in a bomb blast in 1995. But soon the political equations changed within the Congress. A dissident group led by Rajinder Kaur Bhattal replaced Brar as Chief Minister. But with the announcement by the Election Commission to hold assembly elections on the 7th of February and schedules leaving less than a fortnight between the withdrawal of nominations and the date of polling, the political scenario in the state has once again hotted up. Several political alliances have taken place between various political parties. While the Congress and BSP have decided to go all alone, the BJP has formed an alliance with Shiromani Akali Dal. Unlike in 1992, when Congress was the main contestant in the election, in 1997 it faces a tough competition due to the entry of most political parties, including BSP, its former electoral ally. With the BSP Supremo Kanshiram putting his personal weight behind his party in Punjab, many feel that the BSP is likely to cut into the traditional vote bank of the Congress.
BSP was no great factor in 92, but today it certainly is. Compared to 92, they may not be able to win votes, but they certainly, I think, can affect the prospects of certain candidates.
Critics also feel that the rank and file within the Congress too is not free from factionalism. Moreover, the prospects of Congress has taken a dramatic turn with the expulsion of Brar from the party. Brar was expelled owing to his sudden withdrawal from Muktasar constituency on account of bad health. While Brar has been hospitalized and is under intensive care, his family has been taken by surprise by the expulsion orders.
I think they have done it in a very cruel, callous and inhuman way. तो मैं तो ये कहती हूँ कि उनका फ़र्ज़ बनता था उनको शो कॉज नोटिस सर्व करते, हमारी एक्सप्लेनेशन लेते। तो 40 साल से हम इलेक्शन लड़ते आ रहे हैं, तब हम नहीं घबराए, इमरजेंसी में नहीं घबराए, बिट्रे काहे को बिट्रे उस पार्टी को करें जिसमें सारी ज़िंदगी लगा दी।
On the other hand, the news of informal seat adjustments between the CPI and the Congress seems to have ruffled the united front. Adding spice to the whole election scenario are a number of splinter Akali groups which have formed their own alliances with major players in their strongholds. While the Congress is trying its best to defend its position in the state, the BJP Akali alliance is being seen as a strong force in the coming elections. But some observers call it an opportunistic alliance where interests could clash over the Anandpur Sahib resolution, which promises more autonomy to the state. The BJP, however, has denied these allegations.
We have already identified these issues. One is the brotherhood of Hindu and Sikhs. Second is the development of Punjab, corruption-free administration.
That Punjab is one state where the election outcome will determine to a large extent the political alliances of the future between various political forces, and the voters' mood will hold the magic card.